My name is Renee. Welcome to Essential Stencil. We have a new launch today. So many of you have probably seen the launch today, and it's called Everyday Home, and it is a beautiful collection of stencils and a set of transfers that you can use every day. So they're not any season, any holiday. You can intertwine them with your seasons and holidays. At Michael's, and they measure probably about 18 inches. On Michael's by about 9.5. And I'm going to start putting some white on this board because I want this to be mostly white and blues. That is the only palette we're using tonight, are white and blue. Okay, we're going to use this checkerboard. I kind of want to use it, okay, you can use it just like a checkerboard, right? But I want to put it on a little angle. I'm going to go and remove paint. So if you're new to stenciling, you want to work the paint into the brush and then offload it. And then it's all worked in there for you. And you're going to go ahead and have a nice somewhat dry brush, I'll say. And then you just can start swirling it. You want to go up and down and just swirl your brush. And I have the tape down so that I do not have to worry about stenciling on the bottom portion, which is where I want to add something else to that. We're going to add our tiles down there. That's what I want. But I am, here, I'll turn it this way now so you can see when I lift it up. Okay. Cool blue, right? Really fun blue. So we're going to go ahead and stencil the pattern on. Want to be careful that I don't get it around. Although if I did, then I just have to re-stencil it. But I do feel like one coat is all I'm going to want. I don't want it dark blue, but trust me, it's dark blue. So it'll look awesome. This wood is soaking up the paint. Okay, good, Kathy. I'm glad you can see it okay. It seems, on my end, it just looks so far away. I'm actually going to do this because it'll lift it up just a little bit. And we're going to go up, and we're going to just take our stencil. So, it was here. We're going to continue it. And we're just going to line it up with what we just did. And then put it on up here. Take your time, let things just dry naturally. If you want to come back to your project, you don't have to be in a big rush. So then that repeats it this way. Okay, and then we want to repeat it down here. So I just want to line it up. There's little lines you can see. You can go just under them. So when we're done here, we'll have 3 different pieces, just from this set that we're using on one project. And imagine all the other stencils. Some of you have been here, using Essential Stencil products for years. And your toolbox is, you have quite a few stencils, so there's so many other things you can add with this everyday home. And the thought that these can be used every day is just so neat. Okay, so we've got it going down the side, and I want to bring it also over. Okay, I just want to fill this up with this. So when we go into this corner, remember we have this tape on top, so we can just stencil away and not worry about getting on anything. All right. All right. Okay, dried it. Again, I'm just going to do what I would normally do. I'm just going to sand it down while the tape is still on there. Make sure my edges are nice and back or off. You have the transfer itself on this side. That goes face down. And then you want to place it where you want it. Kind of want it off to the side. Okay, and then you just press it with your hand, heat it up just a little bit. Your hand will do that. Rub it in. Give it one nice quick rub, and then pull up a piece and just start going around your edges. Lift your transfer sheet as you press it into the surface. You can use these on all kinds of surfaces. And then just go ahead and go around your piece. So adding this, I'm going to turn this as I'm doing it. Adding this transfer on with these blues is just giving it another dimension, another look. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Those blues are wonderful. Thanks. Have a great evening and keep cool. Bye-bye.